In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an object in Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple skill can be incredibly useful for when you're designing a presentation and want to focus your audience's attention or even just tidy up a cluttered slide. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you want to get started by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have PowerPoint open, either click to open an existing presentation or create a brand new one. You can do this from the main start screen that appears when PowerPoint opens. If you're working from an existing file, simply navigate to the presentation you wish to edit and open it up. With your presentation ready, direct your attention to the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find a host of tools and options for managing your slides. You want to click on the Home tab on this ribbon. It's typically the default tab that opens when you start PowerPoint, so you may already be there. In the Home tab, you should see a section called the Editing group towards the far right. This is a very handy area when you want to select and arrange items on your slide. Click on the option that says Select. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Selection Pane. This pane is an often overlooked but powerful feature in PowerPoint. Once you click Selection Pane, a new panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel provides a detailed list of all objects currently present on your slide. It's like having an X-ray view of your slide content, making it easy to manage everything you've placed there. Now comes the part where you hide the object. Look through the list in the Selection Pane and find the object you wish to hide. You'll notice there's an eye icon next to each object's name. By clicking this eye icon, you can toggle the visibility of the object. When you click it, a line will appear through the eye, indicating the object is now hidden from view on the slide itself. If at any point you want to make the object visible again, it's as simple as clicking the eye icon once more. When you do so, the line will disappear and the object will reappear on your slide. Remember, a line through the eye means the object is hidden, so it's easy to keep track of what's visible and what isn't. And there you have it, a straightforward way to hide and unhide objects in PowerPoint. By mastering this feature, you can have better control over your presentation's visual elements, ensuring that your message is concise and engaging. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting.